Hi friends. Today we're going to do an art project using toilet paper rolls. I know we all have those going on right now. So you're going to need 3 empty toilet paper rolls. I've already put my 3 together. But I'm going to show you kind of how to shape them to make your shapes for your bunny rabbits that we're going to do for your little art project. So you're going to need 3 empty rolls of toilet paper. You are going to need a hot glue gun. You're going to need a pencil, kind of. I like to use a pencil because it helped me decide where I was placing everything before I glued it. And then you're going to need some paint and a blank sheet of paper. Now, like I said last week, I don't have very good paint. I have old paint. I have these from a very long time ago. There's not much left in them. So I mixed them together to make a lighter pink. My lighter pink is here. And I have very little on there because we really don't need a whole lot. So I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to kind of show you what you need to do with your empty rolls of toilet paper. One of them is going to stay a circle. And the other 2 are going to look kind of like a teardrop in a way. And the way to get that shape is to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to decide where you want it. Doesn't really matter because each way you can turn it, you can make it your own shape. So when I was realizing, when I was doing this first time, I was having a hard time getting it to just shape. So the best way that I decided that it was going to work is if I actually made a crease and kind of folded it in half. And I folded it in half, but only on the top. Only on the top. Because if you do it on the bottom, it's not going to be the right shape. So I just make sure I have a real good crease here. And look, I got a little teardrop. So you have your little teardrops. So now I'm going to show you the final project. And I'm going to show you just because I need to show you how to line everything up. So this is mine here. So I have my 2 teardrops and I have my regular circle. The best thing to do this with is with hot glue, and that's why I suggested it in the beginning, because a regular glue, like your Elmer's liquid glue, is going to take longer to dry, and you're going to need something to kind of keep it together, maybe like a rubber band or a hair tie that just kind of holds it all together, but then you don't know if it's going to stay in the right spot. So I did it with hot glue. And so you can see I made itty bitty little marks where my paper rolls each met when I laid them down, so that way I knew where to place the glue when I was doing my gluing process. So, and they're very little, and also I like this side better than I like this side. These ears just don't look the greatest. I'm just my own worst critic. But this is your bunny. So then what you're going to do is you're going to dunk your paper rolls into the paint, and then you're going to put them on a blank sheet of paper. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll be right back. All right, now that I have you on the right angle so you can see what I'm doing, we can do this together. So like I said, I don't like this side, so I like this side. So it's going to be where I hold it. And I'm just going to dip it in the paint, and I'm going to try and make sure that I get all the areas covered. And then I'm just going to paint, not draw, but I'm going to just dab. Oh no, it didn't work as good. I didn't get much paint. Gotta make sure you get enough paint on there. Push down real good and lift up. All right, I'm going to try and do this one a little bit better over here. See if I can get it all angled and lined back up just right. My paper towel roll doesn't quite touch the paper on that side. So I gotta make sure I squish it real good. All right. So then what I'm going to do, so then after you do all this, we're gonna take some markers, and I just grabbed a green, a pink, and a black one. And you gotta be careful because your paint's still wet. I am going to draw a little nose on both of them. And some whiskers. And then I'm going to draw some little eyeballs. I do little ovals and then little half circles on the inside of them. All right. Got a little tooth there on both of them. And then I'm going to take my green and I'm just going to do a little bit of grass. And then you can, of course, just decorate it however you would like. But look, we've got little bunny rabbits. How cute are they, guys? I hope you had fun. And I miss you so much, and I cannot wait to see you on Wednesday for our lunch. Bye, guys.